growing field in India and globally. AI engineers are in high demand, earning some of the highest salaries in tech. But how do you become an AI engineer? What skills do you need? How much can you earn? And how is AI shaping the future of jobs in India? In next few minutes, I will walk you through a clear career roadmap to becoming an AI engineer in India. Stay with me till the end and you will have a solid plan to get started. What does an AI engineer do? An AI engineer is responsible for building intelligent systems that can think, learn, and make decisions. They work with machine learning models, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, AI automation. These technologies power applications like ChatGPT, self-driving cars, AI-based healthcare, and automated financial analysis. Step-by-step career roadmap. Now let's break down how to become an AI engineer. Step 1. Learning programming and math. Start with Python. It's the most widely used language in AI. Java and R are also useful. Strong math skills are critical, especially in linear algebra, probability, statistics, calculus. Step 2 is to learn machine learning and deep learning. Understand how machines learn from data. Study supervised and unsupervised learning, algorithms like decision tree, SVMs, and random forest from deep learning. Learn TensorFlow and PyTorch. Step 3 is to work with data. AI relies on massive data sets, so you must learn how to collect, clean, and analyze data. Learn SQL, Pandas, and NumPy. Work with big data tools like Apache Spark. Step 4 is to build AI projects. Hands-on experience is crucial. Create projects in image recognition, chatbots, and voice assistants. Predictive analytics. Practice in Kaggle competitions and open source projects. Step 5 is to learn AI deployment and ML ops. AI engineers don't just build models, they deploy them. Learn model development using Flask, Fast API, or AWS. ML ops tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and CI/CD pipelines. Skills to boost your career. Here is what you need to focus on. Technical skills. Programming, Python, R, Java, machine learning, TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, Cloud AI, AWS, Google Cloud, Big Data, Hadoop, Spark soft skills, analytical thinking, problem solving, strong communication skills. Let's talk about the salaries and the career growth. AI engineers are among the highest paid professionals in India. Salary growth, entry level, mid-level, and senior level. Top recruiters include Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Flipkart, Tata Consultancy Services, and many AI-driven startups. AI job opportunities and future trends. AI is rapidly growing in India. Here's what's happening. Indian startups are adopting AI in finance, healthcare, and e-commerce. The government is investing in AI research and policy development. The rise of generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DALL-E is creating new job roles. The demand of AI engineers is expected to double by 2030, making it a future-proof career choice. Is AI engineering the right career for you? If you're wondering whether AI engineering is the right path for you, ask yourself these questions. You should consider AI engineering if you enjoy problem solving and working with data. You like programming and are comfortable with math. You are curious about how AI can transform industries. You want a future-proof career with high earning potential. But if you dislike coding and mathematical concepts, you prefer non-technical roles over engineering and data science, you don't enjoy continuous learning, then AI engineering is not for you. If most of the first points resonate with you, AI engineering is a great career choice for you. Now that you know the roadmap, you need structured learning and real-world experience to succeed. Join NIIT's 30-week postgraduate program in machine learning and artificial intelligence to jumpstart your AI career. You will learn data analytics with Excel, SQL, Python, and Tableau, machine learning model development, hands-on AI projects to make you industry ready from day one. Now, why NIIT? Placement opportunities. 800 plus top companies hire from NIIT. Mentor-led online classes. Learn directly from AI industry experts. Real-world capstone projects to help you stand out. Click the link below and start your AI journey today. Now, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more career roadmaps. Let me know in the comments, are you planning to become an AI engineer? See you in the next one. Till then, keep learning.